Why should I choose you? That's a question every candidate asks of us, but we often struggle all too much in delivering a sound answer as well as backing it up and building the trust that we need in order for our talent, the talent that we want, to enthusiastically say, yes, I choose you. In just a couple minutes, I'm going to cover 4 key C's that you can use to deliver your employee value proposition through your candidate experience. So let's get into it. The first C is culture. These are your core values and beliefs. And we have a fantastic article that my colleagues and I put together recently on the idea of your employee value proposition. So, what are the unique beliefs, the promises, the values that you can offer that are going to set you apart from the competition? And how are you showing that you're going to, second C here, consistently deliver them? And within the candidate experience, are you consistently demonstrating your ability to deliver those promises? So if you're talking about support and belonging and connection, how are you showing that during the hiring process and showing that you're going to be someone that they can trust and earning that? There's so many different tools we can use throughout the candidate experience to educate and engage candidates and also show them that we value their presence, their participation in the hiring process. So in this article, which we'll have the link down below, we talk about realistic job previews and how they can be powerful tools for building trust and transparently communicating about the hiring process. They also prime your candidate to enter the interview process knowing more about you, having responded and received some feedback on critical situations that make up being a part of the team. So we've talked about culture, we've talked about consistently delivering that culture and that key piece of your employee value proposition. The next piece is really communication. So first of all, are candidates receiving the right messaging at the right time with the right information? Next, are they understanding exactly where they need to be? That's the fourth C we're going to touch on, is clear direction. Do they understand the process? Are they getting the opportunity to share their own feedback? Do they know where they're headed? We hear a lot about, of course, it doesn't take much to read about recruitment to hear about long drawn out interview processes, not knowing where you're at in the process, and missing communications along the way. So this article provides a lot of resources here for thinking about things that you can easily use to scale your answer to that question, why should I choose you? And think about the 4 C's of culture, communication, consistency, and clear direction. If you have any questions or want to look at how some of these tools like realistic job previews and assessments can play within your hiring process to be beautifully incremental in getting you exceptional talent, we'd love to connect. And please enjoy this article, and we look forward to your feedback.